Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the front side marker light bulbs. So those will be located right here. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now these bulbs can be quite tricky to replace just because it's very hard to squeeze your hand inside here and turn the socket. I will try to actually show you first where they are located, so you can see the socket here. So this should be fairly simple. You should just turn this socket and pull out the bulb, but the problem is it's very hard to squeeze your hand inside here to do that. You cannot really do it through here. You can get a good grip on that socket, and same applies from here. So I will show you a small trick which I always do to be able to turn that socket. I mean, if you have a small hand and you get lucky, you can maybe do it through this opening, but I will show you what I always do. So I will actually remove the top four mounting screws for the fender. So I will remove this one, this one, this one, and the one in the back. And just by doing that, I will be able to pull a fender a bit to the side, right? Just enough to be able to squeeze my hand inside this opening and remove that bulb. If you cannot do that, then unfortunately you might have to even remove out the headlight to be able to replace it, because I don't see any other way, unfortunately. Or possibly the third option would be if you can remove the inner fender and then access that bulb through here. That's actually the third option, so before removing the headlight. So you can try doing what I did, what I'm planning to do. If that doesn't work for you, then you can try removing this inner fender to be able to squeeze your hand in there. And the third option is to remove the headlight, but to remove the headlight you have to remove the front bumper actually. So yeah, I hope you'll be able to do what I usually do. For this you will need a 10mm socket and a ratchet just to remove these guys. Okay, so I have these four screws out now, and now I will show you. You see how much I can move this fender now, and this will be just enough for me to be able to squeeze my hand inside here and access that socket. But I'll have to use both of my hands to do that. I'll have to be pulling on the fender with one hand while I insert my other hand into this opening to turn the socket. Okay, so now you want to pull that fender to the side just enough to squeeze your hand inside there, right? And that's pretty much everything. Then just turn that socket. You want to be careful not to bend the fender. Okay, and here we are. And here is the bulb. And now to remove the bulb, you just want to pull it straight out. And once you have a new bulb, you will just install it straight in. And again, you will pull onto the fender and install everything back into the headlight. Yeah, so that's how I do it, and I did like a ton of these bulbs. If you still can't do it this way, like I said, then you want to remove the inner fender and try to access the bulb through there. As far as I can see, it should be doable, but this is the easiest way, I think. Other side will be the same. So just down here is the socket, and also you will have to remove these four mounting screws, pull the fender to the side, and then squeeze your hand through here, and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.